Hey everybody, how you doing? This is of course JD Olson with the Martial Art Unlimited Association, and I'm here at my gym, Keishidojo Martial Arts Unleashed, and I have for you guys the newest BJJ Box unboxing coming at you right now. Let's go ahead and tear this bad boy open and see what's inside, because I'm excited. I was told it was a really good one, but I haven't looked at any of the online stuff to see what it was, because it came in on Friday, but I actually had to head right to Atlanta for the Coach Eric Paulson seminar. So I was gone Friday, Saturday, Sunday. I got back late Sunday night, and then Monday I was teaching and everything. Tuesday I was teaching. So this is my first chance to actually be able to get into this. So I got my trusty M1 Tech knife. So I did this one, I think, the last time. So you see it's got a pretty cool little handle. It's got holes drilled through it. It's like a little plastic, but it's all a solid piece, goes all the way through. And so I'm going to use that. This box is actually pretty heavy. Pretty solid feeling. And so slide that back in the case so nobody gets cut. And let's go ahead and break this bad boy open. All right. Ooh. Bubble pop. All right. Let's go ahead and see what we got. And of course, this is the October BJJ Box. First things first. Bam. What do we got? Well, we got Mouthguard, damage control, the trifecta of mouth guards, protection, comfort, and aesthetics. And it's cool because it's green, and I like actually this color green. So this one will be my new mouth guard. Let me go ahead and get that bad boy all melted and ready to go. Next item, BJJ soap. So something interesting, I just started using these at home. They had a sale on BJJ HQ, and so I bought like a whole pack of these for like 20 bucks or something like that. And I've been using them at home, and this one is a particular one I don't have. This one doesn't say which one it is. Usually they have a name. Oh, this is after training soap. So there you have that. But like I was saying is, I've been using these at home, and they're actually pretty nice. There's a ton of different ones. If you actually want to have like a display in your gym, you can do that. And so BJJ soap, this will last easily a month. If you're showering like twice a day, it should be no problem. So put that right there to keep the mouth guard up. All right, what do we got here? Choking hazard. The jiu-jitsu dice. Oh, cool. I did something like this years ago. I made my own. Now they have, now somebody has made them. So what you have here is little dice. And what you can do is it tells you like the submission to do for that round. And I actually do games like this at my gym all the time. So armbar. And then the other one is a Kimura. So you can do that like per person. So each person rolls a dice, and that's the only submission they get. Or you can just roll one dice, and that's what they're both going for. Or maybe the higher ranking can only do that. Lower ranking can do anything. But let's see. Paper cutter, triangle, armbar, Kimura, rear naked choke, and the Americana. Let's see if it's the same. Triangle, paper cutter, Kimura, rear naked choke, Americana. They are the same. So you could have each person roll one and have some fun with that. So that'll definitely be going into my drawer for the gym. What do we got here? We got socks. We got Shock Doctor socks. So I'm not a big fan of the tall ankle socks anymore. I like my low cuts, especially living in the Carolinas. So probably do a giveaway for that. What do we got here? Oh, body armor drink. Cool. Orange mango. And 120 calories for the whole serving, not too bad. How much sugar is in it? Sodium, a lot of salt. Sugar is 28 grams. Boom. Oh wow, we're already on the t-shirt. What's this? 20% off, conquer the day, the Kilo collapsible shake bottle. Use code SUMMIT20. Shaker bottle, that's kind of neat. So a little coupon code for a little shaker bottle. It looks like we're on the last item. Go ahead, box the box up. Boom. All right, let's go ahead and break this bad boy open. This looks like one they've done in the past, and it worked out really well because it was the October box. So we got the Jason one. It's pretty cool. The previous one I had was a white one with the image. It had a black border, but it was still a pretty cool shirt. And he's got his little machete and BJJ gi. So pretty cool. That is the t-shirt for this month for the October BJJ box. And let's go to the card. Go to the card, Alex. So Fight Camp Matt's Murder t-shirt. That's this right here. The Jiu-Jitsu Dice Company Rules of Engagement. Talked about that. The Armbar Soap, all natural soap. Shock Doctor Athletic Socks. Body Armor Super Drink. And the Damage Control Mouthguard is the VIP member exclusive. T-shirt they're estimating at 25 bucks. The dice are $13.50. The bar of soap is $5. The Shock Doctor socks are $5. Body Armor drink $3, and the VIP member exclusive, the Mouthguard, is valued at $20. Well, great. There you have all the items in this month's BJJ box. Again, remember to use code JDBJJ to get a discount off of your very first BJJ box, the BJJ crate, the rash guard box, or they have a new kid box coming out, so you can do any of those. And I do have every intention of getting the kid box from my own gym. And then you can have cool, fun stuff like these poppers, or you could have the jiu-jitsu dice, the Mouthguard, various t-shirts, and all that. Or you could do it for your significant other if they're into the world of grappling, and you're like, hey, I don't ever know what to get this guy. You know, you can get them this kit right here, and then every month they'll get something kind of cool, and then it ties into it. And I am actually going to check out this little collapsible bottle because it looks pretty awesome for like a single serving of a protein shake. Well, you guys made it to the end of the video. You see right here that over 90% of you guys are not subscribed to our channel. So if you like our content and you're liking these videos, go ahead and do me a favor and smash that subscribe button. It really helps out the channel. We did hit our goal of 6,000 subscribers. So thank you guys for that. I am super humbled and honored that you guys took the time to hit that subscribe button. So 6,000 of you guys, thank you for that. Goal for the rest of the year is to get to 7,000. So nothing crazy, but again, super honored and humbled that 6,000 of you guys did think, hey, I like you guys and what you're doing, so I'm gonna go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you're liking the video, go ahead and hit that like button, as that really does help out the YouTube algorithm, the stuff in space, and say, hey, let's go ahead and push this video up in the mix. And finally, hit that bell icon so you know next video is coming out. From all of us here at the Martial Art Unlimited Association, you get myself, Professor J.D. Olson, BJJ Black Belt under Professor Carlos Machado. You also get my man Sifu Ed Stahl, the JKD guy, who is a full instructor under Ron Balicki. And then you also get my man Sensei Josh Owens, who is a black belt in karate and in judo, and brings you guys a lot of videos on the karate katas and the judo. We've been doing a little bit of discussion after these videos, and I thought I would keep that going. So a couple weeks ago, I asked you guys what your favorite submission was, and my man right here, photo please, Charles won that contest by saying his favorite submission. Well, now let's talk about the question of the day for this month's BJJ Box Unboxing question of the day. What is your favorite or your go-to leg lock? Is it a heel hook? Is it a knee bar? Is it a toe hold? Tell me in the comment section below what your favorite leg lock is, and you will win a gym bag, a tatami gym bag from myself here at the Keishidojo Martial Arts Unleashed and from the Martial Arts Unlimited Association. You guys stay safe, keep training, and I'm out.